Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be installing a little wig for me. I don't know why I said little, but it's a wig. My birthday's gonna be here in about 2 days. Today is Wednesday, my birthday is Friday, April 17th. I got this wig, like, to be honest, like a year ago, and I have not worn it yet. So I'm gonna kind of do like a review a little bit, an unboxing, so you guys can see what it first looks like out the box. I have not taken out the box yet. I actually got this from my beauty supply store, so yeah. It's been like a year. It's a little damaged, but clearly it's not been worn. This is my Tresses. I'm gonna just put it right here. It's Black Label. It's a 360 hand tied all around lace wig, so it's a 360 all the way around, which I'm probably not going to be using the 360. I'm probably going to just do the frontal, just depending on how I'm feeling. Probably just going to do the frontal. Yeah, this wig cost $199, 0.99 cents, so basically $200. And yeah, we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to do a little quick through applying it, and I just want to take you guys on this journey with me to see what it do, what it is, where it at. Yeah, it also says it's 10+ quality grade, and you can bleach, dye, and customize. So I know this is human hair. The rest we will find out when we install it. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe now. Leave a comment down below if you guys like content like this and you guys want to see more of this. And if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a comment down below. Follow my social media platforms. I'll leave them down below in the description box. You feel? You dig? And yeah, let's get right into this video. I need to put some dang chapstick on because this is not gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this wig real quick so we can at least see what the quality would look like right through the box. So the box is gonna come like I'm gonna slide it down ever so nicely. And you see, I have not even opened it yet. Like, come on now, I'm saving it for you guys. Have some respect. And this is the Natural Ocean Body in the color Natural Black. Dang, I should have opened this a long time ago. But thank God I kept this because, you know, I did not want to be looking busted up on my birthday. I don't look busted up that much, but like my hair I always have done, and right now it's not, which I'm okay with. But come on now, my birthday's coming up, so we gotta treat ourselves. Okay, so it comes, when you open it, it's like that. It has a little card right there. Nice. Let's see. It is when we take it out. Stop putting stuff around my wig like that. So it comes with this little index card. Yeah, it's all around. It's a 360. Shows you can put all the way up, all the way down. Natural part. Okay, cool. Let's see. And I know y'all probably thinking, like, why would you get a 360 wig if you're not gonna put the 360 on? Because I don't care for a 360. I don't care about my hair being up for real. If I want it up, obviously I have the lace all the way around, so I'm all good. Anyways, yeah, it also shows the steps on how to apply it. You know, make it work, make it do what it do. And yeah, let's see. You're out of the net. Oh my gosh, this actually looks pretty. What happened was I seen it on a model when I went into the hair store, and I was like, I want that one. I want that one. You know how it'd be like that sometimes, like you just know what you want. Oh, look at that. That is cute. And it's human hair, so you know I'm about to be breaking it, damaging it, and I'm gonna be happy doing it too. Okay, let's see how long it really is. What it do? Okay, so if I straighten it, it'll be all right. Look at the baby hairs. They're doing what it do. Baby hairs looking all right. They're looking on fleek. All right, that's cool. That's what's up. That's what's up. See the inside instruction. Okay, I got 2 clips. Good. There I know. And a clip in the back. Nice. Do I got any strings up in there? Nope. So this is what it is, and this is what it do. Yeah, like I said, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to subscribe because, you know, I know you like what you see. I know you like what you hear, and I got y'all consistently. Now I first gotta, to be honest, I gotta like take care of my hair real quick before I put that on, because I'm gonna have it on for at least 2 days. After my birthday, I probably will take it down. You never know. I just spilled water on my shirt. All right, so first I'm just gonna actually moisturize my hair real quick so I can lay it back down. And what I like to do for that, I just use some mineral oil. I'm gonna comb it all the way through and slick it back. I don't be doing those braids or anything like that. To be honest, I have a fear of braids right now because I had box braids in the last time, and like one of my braids kind of like ripped out of my head, and I was like, bruh, you just ripped out of my head and you have some of my hair in the braid. Like, that's not okay. So right now I'm just gonna take care of my hair. I'm trying to get it back to an afro. Might take some time because I keep relaxing it, but it's coming, I promise. Yeah, I'm just gonna moisturize that into my head. Especially if you're wearing a wig, you should like pump this, like, you should do like three pores in your hand to make sure your hair is fully moisturized, because you just don't want dry hair. And just in case y'all were wondering, I am 20, about to be 21 on the 17th. So, you know, look out for a video coming soon. I'll probably have me dolling up for my birthday. Am I ready to be 21? Absolutely. To be honest, I feel like I've been 20 for like 2 years. But I'm not in a rush to grow up, because, you know, once you start getting grown, you start doing real stuff. You start having real responsibilities. And do we want that? I'm not so sure. Okay, now that my hair is looking dum, I'm gonna comb it up. Cool. Put this back. I'm gonna put a ponytail on, a wig cap on, and then we're gonna go see what we can do with this wig, see how it fits, and you're gonna watch me apply it. guys hear a dog barking in the background, that's because it's my little dog Spike. He is not happy right now, and I understand why. He's in the back, that's why. I'm gonna toss on this little scarf right now real quick. I said scarf. I'm gonna toss on this headband so my edges or the whole wig could actually sit and stay still. So I did not do any baby hairs or anything like that because I really don't like baby hairs. I just like the natural swoosh across type of hairstyle. So this is the kind of vibe I'm going for. If I want to pluck some edges or anything like that, then I sure will, but I probably won't because I just don't like doing that. This is all human hair. It's really short, really curly. It's an ocean wave. These are the curls that it comes with. I just pulled me out some sideburns or whatever because I like that look. Now I'm gonna put on this headband. This is what I get from Walmart. I like to put these on so it sits and melts in, and I leave it on for honestly like the rest of the day. So like I said, if you guys hear a dog barking in the background, that's because my dog Spike's mad and I'm about to get him, and that's about to be it for him. And I'll probably put my hair up, tie it into a bun, and then put my little bonnet on, and then I go to sleep just like that. But right now I'm just gonna let this cook for a while. Just long story short, if you guys have a bag of hair that you guys have not gotten to, now is the time to check inside that bag and see what it does for you. Like I said, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next video.